Hey everybody! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a hip roof and a gable roof in Revit. So the first thing you're going to do is double click on level 2 and you should see a level 1 underlay. If this is not showing up, make sure you go under your properties and check these underlay properties and make sure that these are set to something that shows your level 1 floor plan. From there, I'm going to go to my architecture tab and go to roof. And I'm going to go ahead and select a wood rafter roof here. You can do the same thing. I'm going to be using this pick walls feature to go around and easily create my roof. I highly recommend doing that as well. And the first step we want to do before we actually make it is to specify my overhang. So in this, I'm going to make sure my overhang is set to 1 foot. You're welcome to increase or decrease that. And for a hip roof, every single one of my sides is going to be sloped. So I'm going to make sure that this box is checked. Now I'm going to go around and click on each side of my roof, making sure that the light blue dotted line is on the outside of my exterior wall. And I'm going to click on my green check mark. I'm going to say yes to attaching the highlighted walls. And if I go to my 3D view, I'm going to see a nice roof here. Now, this roof is steeped a bit too much, so I'm going to click on it and change the slope to 5 by 12. And these are the specifications that are outlined by Habitat for Humanity. Now, if I go back to my level 2 and I want to edit this, I'm going to go to Edit Footprint. Now, for a gable roof, I only want 2 sides of my roof to be sloped. So in this case, I want this side and this side to remain sloped. Instead of having to remake the entire roof, I can just click and hold down Control to select both of these and uncheck Define Slope. So that means these are the only 2 sides of my roof that are going to be sloped. I'll say green check, go to my 3D view, and now you can see a nice gable roof. You're more than welcome to adjust the look of this. So if you wanted to have the gable on the right side with the open triangle, that could be a design decision that you decide to make. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.